Hello students, welcome back to Programming in C Language. Myself Srikanth. We are discussing computer fundamentals. On that agenda of this session, DOS commands. In the previous video sessions, we discussed in detail about what is DOS and booting process involved into the DOS and some other different operating systems like booting sequences. See, the agenda of this session will discuss in detail about what are the various DOS commands, categories, and suitable examples. Okay. See, what is this DOS commands? A command generally means an instruction to a computer or device to perform a specific task. What is a command? A command generally means an instruction to a computer or device to perform a specific task. As MS-DOS is purely a what? Text-based operating system. So a DOS user can interact with the computer only through the text-based DOS commands. These commands are furtherly divided into basically two types. One is called internal commands, another called what? External commands. Okay. See, what is command here? Command means what? An instruction to a computer or device to perform a specific task. So the DOS consists what? Text-based operating system. Here we need to interact with these DOS the help of what? DOS commands. Basically categorized by what? Two types. One is called internal DOS commands, another called what? External DOS commands. What is internal commands? These internal commands are those commands which are internal to what? DOS, disk operating systems. These means internal commands are loaded automatically in the memory when DOS is loaded into the memory. These are programs contained in the command.com. So in the previous video sessions I explained clearly about what different types of what DOS files, right? Especially what io.sys file, ms-dos.sys file, command.com, and config.sys files and auto execute.bat file, right? So these internal commands, what? These are programs contained in the command.com file. This is called booting file. And no other file is needed to run these commands. See, these commands are always available for execution as long as DOS is running. Okay. See, what are the various internal commands of DOS? We'll discuss one by one. Like dir command, directory command, ver command, date command, time command, volume command, cls command, copycon command, type command, delete command, rename command, copy command, prompt command, md make directories command, cd change directory command, rd remove directory command, path command, like various internal commands of what? MS DOS. When you want to interact with the DOS operating system, then we can interact with these DOS commands. Especially it categorizes basically two types. One is called internal commands, another one called external commands. In this session, we try to discuss in detail about what? Internal commands of MS DOS. Here I categorized very frequently used general purpose commands like cls command, clear screen, directory commands, version commands, volume command, date command, and time command. So even file related commands like copy con command, type command, copy command, rename command, and delete command. Some directories related commands. Directories means what? Folders like md make directory, cd change directory, rd remove directory. See, this is very frequently using these commands for all programming languages, especially if you go with the high level languages like Java and Python. This DOS prompt takes very vital role. Okay, yes, for that reason I'm giving much knowledge over MS DOS. Okay, yeah, we'll discuss one by one in the internal commands. Okay, we'll discuss in the today's session complete internal commands one by one with output. Okay, dir command. This command displays the list of contents of the current working directory. Okay, see how to open DOS or command prompt. I given steps in the previous video sessions, right? So in this session we'll discuss theoretically with output. Okay, already executed outputs all these things, but in the next coming sessions I will execute each and every command practically. Okay, don't worry. See, this is a syntax for what? Directory command. Here I given basic level syntax of directory command: directory, drive, path, and file name. Okay, here we can display this directory related information like a forward slash p, like page wise, width wise, a list of files and directories of subdirectories. S means what? Slash S means what? Subdirectories. H means what? Hidden files. So display directories with hidden files. AS means what? Display the directory with the system files. AD means what? Display only directory presented in a current drive. See, these directory commands displays the list of contents. Contents means what? All the files and directories of the current working directory. So you can able to see, observe here. See, this is a command. Okay, this is a path. E is the drive name. Srikanth Deva is the folder. Here dir is a command entered in what? DOS prompt or command prompt. Okay, so it gives complete information like serial number, okay, directories, and it displays what? Date information, time information, okay, with a folder structure, and a number of bytes are going to be free. This complete information is provided, okay, about directory. See, when just I typed what? dir command in the DOS prompt. Okay, fine. So we discuss one by one in detail directory commands. Observe very carefully here. So dirp, here it going to be displays what? Page wise file names. This dirp is going to be displays what? Directories page wise with the date and time information. dir slash w, width wise files and directories. Okay, but here observe there is no time, without a time and a size, but here it's going to be displays what? With the time and date information, but in the width wise not showing any the date and the time information. Okay, next dir slash b, it displays only what? Primary name list of files and directories. So this is about different types of directories, subdirectories, and files information presented in what? Srikanth Deva folder or directory. Next command called dir slash s, directories name with what? Subdirectories and files with complete date information, time information, and size information. It's going to be displays. Next dir slash l, it going to be displays what? These volume information, serial number, lower cases information, date information, time information with the specific size. Next dir d, first letter is d, continuation with what? Star dot star, it indicates what? Displays all file names beginning the beginning the letter D, beginning with the letter what? D. See, this is about complete that file information, date information, time information, and number of occupied bytes. That information is going to be displayed. Okay, and dir star dot txt, this is called primary name. Do you remember in the previous video session I explained about primary and secondary name both, right? Primary name any valid file name, secondary name is nothing but what? Extensions like .txt files, .bat files, like that. Okay, here star.txt means what? File name may be anything with extension .txt. That information is going to be displayed here. Directory star.txt displays files name with what? .txt extension. Here directory star dot star indicates what? Primary name may be anything, extension may be anything. It's going to be displayed a different file name with different extensions. It's going to be displayed with along with the date, time, with the bytes information. Okay, next directory, here I am using some wildcard characters. Don't worry with what is wildcard characters, everything we'll discuss in the next coming session. Just remember this question mark indicates what? Stars question mark indicates what? Wildcard characters. Okay, so it displays the file name in the second letter is a start with what? E. Okay, so this is about the date information, time information, that particular file information. Okay, next dir slash ah, it displays what? Hidden files from the device, particular drive information. It produces any hidden files are there, that information is going to be displayed. Next dir star dot sys file, the file name with the .sys sys extension, that files are going to be displayed. Currently this drive does not consist any information. If you go with the C drive, it's going to be displays all the sys file related information. So this is the way the directory commands are going to be used for the purpose of what? It going to be displays what? List of contains all the files and directories of the current working directories. I given some running output. These are all what executed commands with along with output in the DOS prompt. Okay, don't worry, we'll execute practically, okay, in the next coming sessions. So next command is called what? VER command. See, this command displays the current version of what? Operating system loaded in your computer. What is the syntax here? VER. Remember, this MS-DOS is a single user operating system, single task operating system, that to be what? Case insensitive. You can give the command instruction either uppercase. Observe in the syntax VER, I written what? Uppercase. But we can also give the commands lowercase, no issue. Okay. So I given here VER, either uppercase or lowercase. It displays what? The it present what operating system, that version information is going to be displayed. VER is the internal command. Okay, so next command is called what? Date command. See, this command displays what? Current date of the system and prompt for a new one. If no new date is entered, then current date will be kept as it is. See, date is the command. This is the syntax for date command. You can go through either uppercase or lowercase. See, what is the difference between date syntax and date slash t syntax? If you go with the date, then the current date is showing and also allows to enter your new date. Like month, mm means what? Month, dd means what? Day, YY means what? Year. You need to give the information about month, date and year information. That pattern you need to give it and click on enter. See, if I go through the data slash t, okay, then okay, just a moment. This is what? Right side t you need to enter. Okay, no worries. So next, just a moment, ma. Here I try to give backward slash t and backward slash date. Okay, fine. No confuse. We'll discuss in the practical sessions. Don't worry about that one. Okay. Yeah. So this is about time command. So this is about what? Date command. So this is the way date is going to be. Date, once enter the date command, it's going to be displays what? Current date information, and it allows to enter your new date information. Okay, you can enter, click on enter. That's it. So next go with what? Time. So this command displays what? Current time of the system and prompts for what? New one. Press enter to keep the same time. Okay. See, this is the syntax for representing what? Time. T-I-M-E. Time syntax. Time with what? Slash t. See here the time command, once you entered, it's going to be displays what? The current time information. If you want to enter new time, you can also enter the time with what? Hours, minutes and seconds and milliseconds, like that. You can enter the new time information. Next command is called what? Volume command. Okay, VOL. See, this command displays the volume information like volume label and serial number of the selected disk drive. Okay, what is the syntax? VOL is the volume, that a drive information. Just I am entered VOL, enter. It's going to be displays what? Particular drive information, name of the drive, including what? Serial number of the particular drive. See, that is about what? Volume information. Next, CLS. CLS is what? Internal command. This command clears the complete contents of the screen and leaves only what? Command prompt with particular path information on the upper left corner of the screen. See, this is about the path information, generally we may call it. Okay. So this command very frequently using for especially working on with programming languages. Okay. See, I enter some data here. I want to clear this data. Then how to clear in the command prompt? I'm entering what? CLS is the command. So once you entered CLS command, it's going to be clears the screen. Like it going to be looks like that, clear screen. Okay. There is no previous content. If you're not entered CLS, whatever the previous commands entered, that information is going to be displayed. Okay, I don't want the previous information, I want to clear it. Then you go with which command ma? CLS command. It going to be clears the complete contents of the screen, but a path is there and cursor is blinking for entering new commands. Okay. Next, copy con command. See, this command is used to create a what? New file with a specific name under the current working directory or the specified directory. See, remember, copy con is a command which is used to for what? Creating what? A new file with a specific name under the current working directory or the specific directory. Okay, sir, in Windows directly we can create the files, directly we can create the directories, but coming to the MS-DOS, if you want to do any kind of file creations, directory creations, change directories, remove directories, everything in the form of commands only. Okay, so observe, this is the copy con command. What is the syntax? Copy space con. Here you need to enter the new file name with the extension. Okay, so after creating the new file, I want to enter some data like that. Hello DOS, this is Srikant Deva and thanking you, like that. After that, I want to save this file. Just press Ctrl plus Z to save the file. On which directory it going to be saves this file? Demo dos.txt. It saves under particular path. Always remember, this is a path. In E drive, Srikant Deva folder or directory, there this demo.txt file is going to be created. Okay, so just remember here these syntax and command usage, and with output we'll discuss practically each and every command in the next coming sessions. Don't worry about it. Okay, yeah. See, next what? Type command. See, just only we discussed copy command is used for what? Creating a new file. Okay, but type command, it allows the user to see the contents of an existing file. Suppose the copy con, I created one file with some data, right? Hello DOS, this is Srikant Deva, thank you, like that I created some with the data. I want to view this data. Then we go with what? Type command. Excuse me. Type file name. You need to enter what? Type and file name. See, you can give the complete information like drive path information with extensions, file name with extensions. Here I entered type. What is the file name we created previously? We created file name is what? Demo.dos.txt file I created. Okay. See, coming to the type demo.dos.txt file. Then it views the content presented in the file. Correct or not? In the previous copy command, we created the file with content hello DOS. This is Srikant Deva. Thank you. Right? See here, once you type the command type demo.dos.txt, it going to be displays the content like hello DOS. This is Srikant Deva. Thank you. It going to be displays the content presented in the file. Always remember, I want to view the content of the file. Then go with which command? Type internal command in the DOS prompt. Next, del command. See, is used to what? Delete files from the computer. Sir, how to create a file using copycon? Sir, how to view the file content information? Type command. Sir, I want to delete that file. Then we cannot delete directly, right? So we need to enter what? Command in the DOS prompt. See, this command is used for delete files from the computer. Like, what is the syntax? Del with file name, specified file name, which file you want to delete, that file. If you want complete information like drive information, path information, and particular primary name with extension like secondary name, you can also give complete path information also. But at present I'm working on Srikant Deva directory. There only one file is created with the demo.dos.txt file. I would like to delete the same file. Okay, see, simply I can give del, which file I want to delete? Demo.dos.txt file I want to delete. Okay, once file is deleted, okay, again I want to get that file information. It immediately throws what is the error? The system cannot find the file specified because the file is deleted. That is the reason. Once file is deleted, I try to get back that file content, not able to view, right? File is deleted. automatically the content of the file also deleted. That's what is showing the error. The system cannot find the file specified. Okay, so always remember, before deleting, just confirm it once whether that file usage is there or not in the future. Okay, if it is not, then only can delete, otherwise don't delete that file content. Okay, so this is the way we can delete the file. So next we discuss about what? Rename command, REN. See, this command is used to what? Rename the files and directories from the original name to a new name. Sir, I created one file, but I would like to rename that file. Okay, observe. So initially I created the file name with what? Demo.das.txt file, but I would like to rename, instead of demo.das.txt, I would like to rename with some new name. How to rename it? Okay, without loss the content of the file. Then what is the command? REN, rename old file name, new file name is the syntax. Rename old file name is what? Demo.das.txt file. Okay, demo.das.txt file, and new name is what? Test.txt file. Okay, so this is the way we can able to rename a new file. Okay, so this is about rename. Old file name is demo.txt file, new file name is what? Test.txt file. So I try to type, I want to view the content of the file. If you try to type demo.txt, it immediately throws what? This the command is not able to find it, because we are renamed that file is what? Test.txt file. That's what I entered. Type test.txt file. It shows the content of the file, like hello students, welcome to DOS, learning DOS internal commands, thank you. Okay, observe how this content comes when you are created the demo.das.txt file. I given some content like hello students, welcome to DOS, learning DOS internal commands, thank you. You can give any valuable content information. I given very sample content information with examples. Okay, so this is the way I can able to what? Rename the file of existing file. Okay, see, these commands are very important, especially working with what? DOS prompt, like how to create a new file called copyconf file, how to view the content of the files called type command, how to delete the file using del command, how to rename using what? Rename command. REN is the command. Okay, yeah. See, next one called copy command. See, this command allows the user to what? Copy one or more files to an alternate location. Okay, see, generally we copy, right, from one drive to another drive, from one directory to subdirectories, from one place to another place, right? Exactly, in DOS also we can able to copy the files from one drive to another drive, or one location to another location. Simply we can call copy source file name, which file name you want to copy, and a target directory or target location for where you want to paste that data or file information, like that. Okay, so observe here, this is the command called copy. Okay, copy. The name of the file is called test.txt. I try to paste that test.txt into some other directory like E drive, Srikant Deva directory. Subdirectory is called DOS examples. There I try to paste this test.txt file. Okay, see, copy, paste. You're all familiar about these words, right? See, there is no loss of data. The original file as it is there in that location, but I try to duplicate that file information into some other location like a DOS examples. So this is the copy command, allows the user to what? Copy one or more files for what? Different locations from source to destinations. Okay, so remember the syntax: copy, name of the source file, and target directory. Okay, so this is about what? Copy command. The next one called prompt command. See, this command allows the user to change the MS-DOS prompt or command prompt to display more or less information. Okay, so observe, see, this introduced in what? Type internal 2.0 and later. The purpose is what? Changes the DOS command prompt. Syntax like prompt prompt text or options. We can also set the prompt using set command. Set prompt equals to from the command line. Here you need to understand some DOS prompt characters like $B, $D like system date, $E means escape characters, $G means what? Greater symbol, $H means what? Destructive BK space, $I means what? Less than, $N means what? Default drive, $P means what? Full path description, $Q means what? Equal, $T means what? System time, $V means what? DOS version number, $_ means what? CR and LF, $$ means what? The $sign. Like that, I want to change the look and feel of these DOS prompt. Then I go with what? See, this is about what? Prompt $P. Then it's going to be removes what? This greater symbol here. Like $G is going to be displays what? Greater symbol only. Like $P, $G, time equals to $T. Then it displays what? Time information in the command. Like that, we can change the prompt environment. Then you go with what? Prompt command. Okay. See, to display the current drive and current path followed by what? Greater as a prompt. Then set prompt equals to what? $P and $G. To display the current date, time and drive on what? Separate lines. Then go with what? Set prompt $D, $_, $T, $_, $N, $G. Like that, we can able to change this path information in the prompt using what? Prompt command. Okay, fine. See, next very important command called what? MD. See, what is this MD? This command creates what? New directory or subdirectory on the disk under the current working directory. See, in Windows, normally you can right click new folder like you are creating in the GUI format. But coming to DOS, if you want to create a new folder or new directory, then you need to use the command called MD or MKDIR, make directory. Okay, using these commands we can create what? New directory or subdirectory on the disk under the current working directory. Okay, see, this is a syntax: MD space new directory name, or you can give MD with complete path of a different drive, different directory and subdirectories also you can mention. So try to understand. Here I'm completely working on this drive only, E drive Srikanth Deva folder. There I am creating a new directory called MD is a command for creating a new directory. What is the name of the directory? Courses is the directory. I am creating a new directory. That's it. See, observe, I want to create another subdirectory under courses. Then again I am giving MD space C language, like C I given. See, this is the way I can create subdirectory. See, we can create number of directories and subdirectories with the help of the command called MD or MKDIR, make a directory. Okay, this is the way we can create new folders with the help of what? DOS command prompt for particular target location path. Okay, either E drive, C drive, D drive, based on the particular location you can create. See, currently I worked completely about this drive path only. Okay, so next we go with what? CD. Sir, what is this command? So this command is used to what? Switch directories in MS-DOS. Okay, it changes the control from what? One directory to another directory. See, very important command. See, most of the students are very difficult to understand this command while working especially with what? Java, Python related applications. Okay, see, look out very clearly here. CD is the change directory command. Okay, see, in the GUI format in Windows, directly we can move from one drive to another drive, right? Like C drive, D drive, E drive. Directly you can click on with the mouse pointer or with the help of input devices like keyboard. But in DOS, how to change the directories from one directory to another directory or one drive to another drive? You need to concentrate on that. Okay, at present we'll discuss how to change the directory. What is the command? CD space directory name. Don't confuse here. Directory is nothing but folder name. Simply remember it. Okay, CD here path information and directory name. Observe here I given some various command. Okay, just a moment. Yeah, yes, so look out, CD space C. Okay, here CD is the change directory, C is nothing but what? Subdirectory. Just only we created using what? Make directory command, correct? Yeah, See, look out. CD space C. C is what? Directory name, subdirectory name. It's going to be changing the directory from courses directory to what? C directory. You can able to see this is the path. E drive, Srikanth Deva is the folder, courses is the subfolder, C is the subfolder. Okay. Sir, I want to get back. See, now we are entered into what? The forward, right? We are entering into subdirectory. But I want to back, sir. Like I want to back from C language folder to courses folder. Then you can enter CD dot two dots. You need to enter. Then it entering into what? Back directory from C subdirectory to what? Courses directory. Sir, I want to enter directly to the drive, particular drive. Okay, instead of like Srikanth Deva courses like that, I want to enter directly to the drive. Simply can give CD, this is the slash, then CD slash, if you entered, automatically it comes to what? Directly to the particular drive. See, this much of important is there for change directory. CD is very important, especially working on what? Any application developments with the help of a DOS prompt. Okay, CD, we can move to the particular directories or subdirectories, or I want to back to the particular directories. CD two dots. Sir, I want to come to the complete path to the drive, only drive, then CD slash. Okay, so these are all the commands you need to remember for what? Change directories from one directory to what? Another directories. Okay, so next command is called RD. RD stands for what? Remove directory. See, this command removes empty directories in what? MS-DOS. To delete directories with the files or directories within them, the user must use what? Del tree command. Okay. See, in previously we discussed del command used to what? Deleting the file information. Sir, I want to remove the directories, remove the C directory or courses directory or Srikanth Deva directory, means folders. Then we go with what? RD is the remove directory. Syntax is what? Directory name. RD space directory name, or RD you can give the complete path information. Okay, simply given RD, I'm removing which directory? C directory. C is a subdirectory of courses. See, this is the way we can remove what? Directories from the command prompt. Okay, so we discussed in detail here the complete information, how to create the files and how to create the directories and remove the directories and change the directories. Okay, the last command for what? Internal command is what? Path. PATH. Very important. This path command, especially you are working with what? Java and external libraries. There there you need to set explicit path for particular libraries, and you need to view the complete path information whether it is successfully setted or not. Okay, yeah. So just remember here, path, this command is used to what? Provide access to the files located in what? Other directories or other disk. User can access only those files that have extension what? Generally .exe, .com, .bat files. By setting the path to these executable files, user can execute them from any location of the system. Okay, see, don't confuse at present, just remember it. In future, I want to use external libraries or third party library file informations, then you need to set that library information to what? Current directories or particular DOS environment to run that application or use that information. Then we go with the path command. Path displays what? Complete what are the external libraries or installed softwares that going to be there in our computer. It displays the information. We can also use set path command. We can also set explicitly particular like JDK versions, Java version libraries, or third party libraries like database related libraries. We can set explicitly those third party libraries into our environment. Okay, so this is about what? Various internal commands we discussed in detail. Okay, so just I brush up to here what we discussed in detail about various internal commands of what? DOS commands like dir commands, like directory commands, version commands, and date and time commands. We can display and we can set the date and time information. Volume command, CLS, clear screen command, copy con command to create a new file. I want to view the content of the file using type command. I want to delete the file using del command. I want to rename the file called ren, rename command. I want to copy the file from one location to another location. Then you go with the copy command. I want to display the, or I want to modify some changes in the prompt environment. Then go with the prompt command. I want to create a new directory, md command, make a directory, or mkdir. I want to change the directories from one directory to another directory. Then we go with what? CD command. I want to remove the directory. Then we go with what? RD command and path command. See, this is what the complete DOS internal commands we discussed. Generally, we use in the real world environment these internal commands with the commands with the syntax and output also I displayed. Okay, so just kindly go through all these informations about all DOS internal commands. We'll execute each and every command in the coming sessions with practically. Okay, fine. See, this is about what DOS commands, DOS internal commands we had discussed in detail in these sessions. Okay, if you really like my videos, make it like and share and kindly subscribe for what more updates of what computer fundamentals, programming fundamentals, algorithms, and programming in C language. Okay, thank you all. Thank you for watching my videos.